everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Dayanara, and today we're gonna do this eye look. I think you already know what we're gonna do, and I am gonna be using this palette from Huda Beauty. It's from her new collection, Obsessions, and the palette I'm using is Ruby. It's really beautiful. It's glittery and red and gold and burgundy and all that stuff. Yeah, and I am inspired to use this because it's almost Mother's Day and red is just a symbol of love because I love my mom. So hi mama. If you wanna know how I did this look, stay tuned and I'll see you then later. Hello guys, it's me again and I'm gonna show you how I did this eye look. We are gonna use this Huda Beauty. It's from her Obsessions collection and I'm gonna use the Ruby palette. It comes with 9 shades. This is how it looks like. I already did my eyebrows and let's just prime our eyelids with any concealer. I use the Instant Anti-Age Effect from Maybelline. You can use whatever palettes you've got. It doesn't necessarily need to be the ones I've got. Any shades that is similar is totally fine. So I'm gonna start off with this color right here. After that, I'm gonna use this color right here. It's orangey, so that's what I'm gonna use. Next step, I'm gonna use this one. Next up, let's use this shade right here. The same color right here, put it on our lid. Next up, let's cut our crease. You can use this Instant Anti-Age Effect from Maybelline to cut the crease. To the next color, we're gonna use this color right here. It's a color pink. It's a glittery pink. And on the middle, let's just use this one here, the gold one. And on the side, I'm gonna use this one again. Use this one too. So this is the finished product. I already did the rest of my face, and I use the MAC lipstick. So you guys, I hope you like this look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'm not keeping this long anymore, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon on my next video. I love you all. Bye. Mwah.